Hello everyone and welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today's videos is about Inside Out Unveiling the pros and cons of Bharti Taneja ALPS Beauty Academy, Rajouri Garden, Delhi. But first let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you are looking for career in beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build you one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. Stepping into the world of beauty and grooming can be a thrilling journey filled with creativity, passion and the pursuit of excellence. In this video, we will start discussing about one of the most famous academies of Rajouri Garden, that is Bharti Taneja ALPS Beauty Academy, its courses, duration, fee structure, placement and the most important that no one will ever tell you, and that is its pros and cons. So now let's talk about Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy. Bharti Taneja is one of the reputed name in the beauty industry. Since 1988, they have been providing their expertise through their ALPS beauty clinics. ALPS Cosmetic Clinic Private Limited runs well-designed professional beautician courses. The trainers are highly experienced and the courses are crafted by experts in the beauty industry. They offer quality education which will give you highly paid jobs and business opportunities. This academy is one of the best makeup academies in Delhi. Now let's talk about courses offered by Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy. Bharti Taneja offers a wide range of courses covering various aspects of beauty and makeup, and the courses are: first, certificate in skin treatments; second, certificate in basic beauty care; third, certificate in cosmetic making; fourth, certificate in salon management; fifth, certificate in manicure and pedicure; sixth, certificate course in nail art; seventh, hair courses at ALPS Academy; eighth, self-care courses. Now let's talk about fee structure of the courses. ALPS Beauty Training Institute offers many kinds of courses like short-term courses, certification courses and diplomas. ALPS Academy courses fee starts from Rs 70,000 to 2,50,000 as per the type of course. Now let's talk about its placement structure. If we talk about the placement structure of ALPS Beauty Training structure, they do not provide any kind of placement / job to their students. After completing the course, you have to find a job for yourself, but it won't take long to find a job because this academy is reputed and has a very good image in the market. So don't worry about the placement and go get yourself for the course in this academy. Now we have come to the most important topic of this video, that is pros and cons of Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy. So first we have pros of Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy. First, in Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy, only 25 to 30 students are trained in a batch. And that is a good thing because trainers can focus on students and give them the right amount of attention. Second, the fees for the courses are reasonable. If people want an academy with a reasonable fee structure, then they can choose this one. Third, this academy has many branches and people can visit the branch in the location near your city and make decisions. Now let's talk about cons of Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy. First, the course quality is not very good. Second, the management and training quality is bad as they have a lot of branches and cannot maintain the quality of trainers. Third, as they have a lot of branches, some branches are bad and students are not happy about that. If you want to take admission, then do visit the academy yourself. Fourth, they do not provide internships / jobs to the students, and that's very inconvenient for the students as they don't get the exposure of their work. Fifth, if you have done courses from here or want to do courses, then you have to take advanced classes from somewhere else. Their training quality is not good. Here, we talked about Bharti Taneja ALPS Makeup Academy. This academy comes among the top makeup academy in Delhi. Let us now talk about the top 3 makeup academies of Delhi NCR. First, we have Meri Bindi International Academy. Meri Bindi International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindi International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving a job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindi International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Meri Bindi International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has 2 branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindia International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. The Masters in Cosmetology course and Postgraduate Diploma in Cosmetology course at Meri Bindi International Academy are recognized as the best cosmetology course in India. Meri Bindi International Academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. Big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindi International Academy. Now second, we have Pearl Academy. This academy comes at the top 2nd position in Delhi NCR in makeup courses. You can do a makeup course from here. If you do a makeup course from here, it will take you 3 to 4 months, which will cost you rupees 3 to 5 lakh. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. Third, we have Cyrus Matthew Makeup Academy. Cyrus Matthew Makeup Academy is one of the top 3 academies in Delhi NCR. From here, you can do courses and get a certificate. You can do many types of makeup courses from here. For the makeup course, it will take 1 month, which will cost you rupees 1.5 lakhs. This academy teaches 30 to 45 students in a batch. This academy does not provide any kind of placement/internship. After doing the course from here, you will have to search for a job or internship on your own. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit your preferred academy today and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment, and if you like our video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel today. Thank you.